A pleasant afternoon to all of you. We are all gathered here today to celebrate another milestone in our lives, our graduation day, with the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Indeed, this is the moment we have all been waiting and praying for. Today also marks our triumphs over rigorous academic training and challenges, as well as the culmination of years of hard work, tons of sweat to achieve academic excellence, and invaluable efforts to make us grow into someone we all want to be. My fellow graduates, we are about to reach high school. We must enjoy the next 6 years of our lives in order for us to reach our goals. Our alma mater, Tinaguban Elementary School, taught us the value that we need in order for us to face our future without fear. Thank you, dear teachers, for the knowledge you have given us and those lessons you have shared with us. Thank you, dear parents, for working hard to give us a good education. We are happy that you are here with us today. And most of all, thank you God for all of your blessings. In behalf of the graduating class, it is my pleasure to welcome you all to witness this year's graduation ceremony. Welcome and good afternoon.